Hello, hello. How are you all doing out there on day 31? It's Sunday, and the sun is like wasn't out earlier. It's just nice now. It's peeping. I hope it's nice wherever you are. Today's song is especially for a friend of mine who's a man based in New York. And when right would be right, you would find him most likely in the 11th Street Bar in New York playing his fiddle. Fantastic fiddler by the name of Tony DeMarco. And Tony DeMarco spent his youth and prime, although he's still in his youth and prime, of course, in Gorchin, Sligo. So he picked up the tricks of his trade from the great legends like Fred Finn and Peter Horn out those parts. So when Tony asks you for a request, I'm only too happy to indulge him. So he asked for the song, The Snowy Brested Pearl. And it's a very beautiful song, and the more I sing it, the more I like it. I never sang it before this very day. I was aware of it and I knew it and I had heard it and all of that, but I never actually sung it. It was originally written in the Irish language and translated by George Petrie, and it appeared in a collection of early Irish music by Edward Bunting back in 1796. And Edward Bunting was the man that we praise for having collected a load of Irish music that otherwise might likely have been lost. And so Edward Bunting's collection is a very valuable collection of airs, and particularly from harpers. And this tune, the melody, is credited to one Thorlock O'Carolan, a blind harper from where? County Roscommon. And O'Carolan has written some of the most beautiful airs that you ever heard, like O'Carolan's Concerto, like She Bug She More, and lots of other things. But this song, the air of it, is credited to Thorlock O'Carolan. And yeah, so it's a beautiful, unrequited love song. We're not sure if he ever gets the girl, but if he doesn't get her, he would prefer to actually die than be left without her. So, The Snowy Breasted Pearl. There's a calling fair is made for a year and for a day. I have sought by every way her heart to gain. There's no art of tongue or eye for youths with maidens try. But I've tried with ceaseless sigh and tried in vain. If to France or far off Spain she crossed the watery main, to see her face again the seas I'd brave. But if it's heaven's decree that mine she ne'er will be, may the Son of Mary me in mercy save. Oh, the bloom and the quiet dove, to whom I give true love, do not ever thus reprove my constancy. Fair maidens would be mine, with wealth and land and kind, if my heart would but incline to turn from thee. But a kiss with welcome bland, and a touch of thy fair hand, are all that I demand. Wouldst thou not spurn? For if not, my dear girl, my snowy breasted pearl. May I never from the fair with life return, but a kiss with welcome blend and a touch of thy fair hand are all that I demand without a spark. For if not mine, dear girl, my snowy breasted pearl, may I never from the fair with life return. For if not mine, dear girl, my snowy breasted pearl, may I never from the fair with life return. Thank you very much, folks. Tony, I hope you enjoyed that, and you're enjoying your splendid isolation wherever you are, and that goes for the rest of you too. See you tomorrow at the same time for another song in the catalogue of Lockdown Sing Song. Take care of yourselves till then. And oh, do you like the new room? I spent the whole day yesterday at it. I'm showing you around the house now because I was stuck in that corner for the last 31 days, and now I've moved. So anyway, all for ye. Things to do. Bye-bye.